Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change theme badge in Gardenscapes. To change the theme badge on Gardenscapes, first of all, open up the Gardenscapes application on your device and from the home screen, tap on the themes icon at the bottom left. Now, click on My Theme on the left inside menu and then tap on About. This will open up your About section for your created theme. Click on Edit and click on the Edit button under Badge. Go ahead and select the theme badge you want to change to and tap on Edit. Finally, click on Confirm to save the change. And that's how you have successfully changed your badge and make your theme stand out and give it a unique identity. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.